Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm gonna dye my hair. Yes, I'm gonna dye my hair into it's light crime unicorn hair, and it's an oyster color. Yes, so this is gonna be my first time. I've been seeing this brand all over YouTube and it has great reviews. I'm excited, super excited, but I'm also like afraid like how my color will come out. This is my hair color right now, and I like it, but I wanna have fun a little bit with my hair. I'm being bored with this color. I mean, I love my color. You know, it was really hard to get to this color because my hair, if you guys see, is like a dark brown, and it was really hard to get into this stage of blonde. Okay, however, it's quarantine time and let's have some fun. According to the box, it says that if you have a medium blonde, which is my hair, it will come up to this color. We'll see if it is true. Now my hair, it's already been washed, it's dried as well. I only wash my hair with shampoo as it's advised. Let me open this box. I have to leave the tint in my hair for 45 minutes, and if I want to have long-lasting results, I should leave it on my hair for like an hour or two, but I'm only gonna leave it for 45 minutes. So let's go now. All right, here are my gloves, brush, and two ponytails. First, I'm gonna divide my hair in two. Really? Really? All right. I'm gonna use my gloves. Hold on. Perfect. So let's start. Ooh. Smell good. The first time that I got like a hair color that it actually smelled good. So I'm gonna do this with a brush. Okay, let's do this. The tint is vegan. You know what? I'm gonna use a small container because you see it's hard to put a brush in. Come on. Ugh, okay. Yes, I'm a mess. It's okay. It's okay, no big deal. Now it's gonna be easier. I got this at the tent in Ulta, and I got it for I got it for $13. They have this Ulta right now. They have a coupon. If you spend more than $15, you get $3.50 discount. So there you are. You save something. You save some money. As you guys see, I have a lot of hair. So hopefully one jar is enough. And now I'm gonna do my ends. So hard. I wish I can show you guys what a mess I'm doing right now. Yes, I'm doing a mess. All right. I'll take this one out. And now we're gonna do the same thing in half. All right, ladies, this is done. This is how the jar ends. Empty. I took the most, again, the most. Done. But it covers everything. It covers everything. So I'm just gonna wait for 45 minutes, and I'll see you guys in a few. This is how it looks after 45 minutes. It's very dry. It's like so dry. You guys can see right here. Yeah, it's dry. So I'm gonna wash my hair only with a conditioner, and I'll show you guys how it looks. This is how my hair looks after I washed. It's like, I don't see any purple. I'm just gonna let it dry my hair, and I'll show you guys the results. All right, guys, this is the results of my hair. My hair didn't get the color that I wanted, just a hint of the color. Let's see. Just a little bit. I'm disappointed, but could it be worse? So the only thing that I like about this dye, it was the smell. The smell is like you know, like those bubble gums. That's how it smells, and my hair still smells. So it smells really nice. And that's basically it for today. So I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends. And maybe, who knows, if you have a friend who has similar to my hair color, most likely this is not gonna work, and you need something stronger if you want to get a purple hair. Bye bye.